Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is February the 12th, 2018, and we're just coming in to give you guys an update on what the market is currently doing in the cryptocurrency space. And from our analysis yesterday, the market has completely changed from our previous analysis from the market moving lower. And I told you all that in our recap towards the end of our video yesterday, because we did notice, and we told you all that we were noticing signs of precursors of strength, and that the market can actually move higher on today, and that's exactly what occurred. So it just goes to show you all that if you understand the market and the language, that you can still forecast where prices are likely to go, even though your initial assessment was incorrect. Okay, now before I get started on this video, please understand and know that what we do here on this channel is not being considered as investment advice, because we are not registered as investment advisors. Okay, but we are giving you news according to the charts, and it's quite powerful to predict with accuracy where prices are likely to go in the future. So continue to subscribe to this channel, continue to like, and as well as comment on these videos, so you can always get a grasp of what is going on in the cryptocurrency space. We are the only ones in YouTube land who is able to give you guys price predictions without using any indicators and or expensive software, as well as pattern charts or shapes. Okay, now this language is massive. I mean, it takes a long time to actually understand it fully before you become quite knowledgeable in understanding what the market is going to do. But nevertheless, it is still something that you need to know. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get started on our analysis. You guys can definitely see that the market cap is still there around $425 billion. Bitcoin is still hovering around 35%. So nothing pretty much is changing in the market. So that lets us know that we're still in consolidation or trading sideways, if you want to say it that way. Bitcoin is up 5.62%. Ethereum as well is up almost 4%. Ripple is up as well, almost 4%. Bitcoin Cash is up 1.5%. Cardano is down, not that much, 0.13. Litecoin is up 0.51. Neo 4.32. Stellar 4.06. So across the board, you all can definitely tell that these cryptocurrencies are at least traded in the positive, and for some of them, they're right there towards area of resistance again. So we're back at a very key area that we need to pay attention to for these altcoins to see whether or not they're going to break the resistance or move higher. To move higher, or will they bump their head against resistance and move lower once again, which just tells us that we're still in consolidation and we continue to be in the trading range. So now let's go ahead and get started. We're looking at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is up 9.6%. Last trade was 88.44, $8,844.30. So now currently we're looking at a push to gold bar, given the fact that yesterday was a probable precursor of strength, and we're getting definite confirmation that the market is interested in higher prices, even though the market is not completed for today. But the current bar that we do have is a sign that the market is looking for higher prices. We're expecting them to at least go back up to $9,000. Now, looking in the background, you guys can definitely tell that it held that support, and as well it came and held that support here. But the last two times, or the last couple of trading days, you guys can see that Bitcoin was having a hard time breaking through 9,000. So now, if this current bar closes or completes the trading day with the close at the high of the bar, we're definitely looking for Bitcoin to move higher. 3-hour bar for Bitcoin. As always, $9,000 where that resistance came in. We got 45 minutes before this current 3-hour bar completes. If it closes towards the high of the bar, then definitely we're looking for that price, the first price area for Bitcoin to be $9,000. And then from there, we're going to be watching the market to see if we continue to get precursors of strength. If we do, then we're looking for Bitcoin to continue to move higher in price, and it might come all the way up to $91.93 or even $9,200, or it can even go all the way up to $9,500 in tomorrow's trading, depending on if we get a lot more interest in higher prices. But definitely watch $9,000. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. Ethereum is up 7.5%. Last trade was $871.22. just like with Bitcoin. So our analysis is pretty much the same for Ethereum. Precursor of strength, probable precursor of strength came in yesterday. We are getting confirmation right now in the market, so it tells us that buyers are in control in Ethereum right now. So we're still expecting them to move lower, but we are cautious to know that resistance is right there around $900. So the market may not move that high, so keep that in mind, because definitely, and I zoom in on the 3-hour bars, resistance actually came in around $875. So we need this current bar to close above the previous one. If so, then we're looking for Ethereum to continue to move higher in price. Okay, currently we are noticing more precursors of strength bars than weakness, so our analysis is currently on point for them to continue to move higher. Now it might just come up to the high of this previous bar, but definitely if it closed towards the high of the bar, then we're looking for Ethereum to at least come to $885 or even $900 for a quick move. Okay, now it's going to be imperative for you all to watch around $900 or even where the market is trading now, because we need more strength around this price in order for Ethereum to continue to move higher. Now next one is going to be Bitcoin Cash. So we're looking at Bitcoin Cash up 5.42%. Last trade was $1,277. Again, the market is giving us more consolidation, trading sideways. This is the fourth day that the market, or the fourth day that the market has been trading sideways. But given the fact that the bar is currently in a precursors of strength mode, the volume is also light, so we might not be getting that much selling in the market right now for Bitcoin Cash. Take a quick look at the 3-hour bar for Bitcoin Cash. So you guys can definitely tell on the last couple of 3-hour bars, the market has just been trading around $1,200 all the way up to $1,300. The market is now trying to give it another grasp at breaking $1,300. Currently, we are getting precursors of strength in the market, so our analysis is for them to continue to move higher. Might not move that high, so keep that in mind. It might just come up to 1320 or to the high of this particular bar, which was 1295. Okay, but at best, the market is not giving us any precursors of weakness to move lower, and if it does, it might just come back down to $1,200 to find support. But we're looking for Bitcoin Cash to continue to trade in this range, $1,200 to $1,350, and as we watch the market go up to $1,350, we need to see more precursors of strength bars in order for it to break that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check out Ripple. Ripple is up 8.35%. Last trade was $1.03. So told you all that buyers did come in the market yesterday, gave us a probable precursors of strength, and currently we are getting confirmation that interest in higher prices, or at least the buyers are in the market in Ripple at this time. 3-hour bars for Ripple. Just like with Bitcoin Cash, the market is giving us precursors of strength, especially if this current 3-hour bar closes towards the high and above the close of this previous 3-hour bar. We're looking for Ripple to continue to move higher. The market is giving us precursors of weakness bars, but the market is not reacting to it, which gives us another indication that the market is still interested in higher prices. Okay, so that's going to be our analysis. It's for Ripple to continue to move higher, but we are noticing that Ripple is trading around resistance. Okay, so keep that in mind. Right around this area is where resistance is in Ripple, and it's trading there now. So the market can actually bounce here and fall lower. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check out Litecoin. Litecoin is up 9.12%. Last trade was $162.29. Again, push to go up bar, which is a probable precursors of strength in the market. So we are getting confirmation from yesterday's probable precursors of strength bar. So it is looking likely that the market is going to continue to move higher for these altcoins, including Litecoin. Now, it might not go that high. We are definitely getting more precursors of strength in the market. Market try to move lower, but the buyers are definitely in control in Litecoin right now. So we're expecting them to continue to move higher. And you all can definitely see where that resistance is right there around $165. Could be a first area resistance. Litecoin will need to get us more precursors of strength in order for them to move higher, but we do see precursors of strength bars on this chart on the 3-hour bar. So we're looking for Litecoin to continue to move higher in price. Now let's check out Dash. Let's look at Dash. Dash is up 7.07%. Last trade $621.49. So all of these bars pretty much are looking the same for my analysis today. Push to go bars, light volume, definitely tells us either two things. First, interest in higher prices is not there, or the volume that came in on yesterday to push the market down, it is not there either. So either way, we can have the market flip and go the other direction. But given that it is a push to go bar on top of a probable precursors of strength bar, leans more to the side that prices are going to go higher. Even on this current 3-hour bar, the market was just simply trading sideways for the time being. We got a lot of volume on this current bar. Market tried to push lower on the current one. So if this 3-hour bar closes above the previous close and at the high of the bar, then definitely we're looking for Dash to move higher. But the market may not move that high, so keep that in mind. It might come up to $635 or even $650 again. That is where resistance is. So we're trying it again in the market for these altcoins to hit this area resistance to break through. Now let's go ahead and look at Neo. Neo is up 9.33%. Last trade was $111.07. Just like with the rest of the altcoins, we are getting some stockpile in Neo right now though. So that's the only difference that we are noticing on the daily price bar for Neo than the other altcoins. 3-hour bar for Neo is pretty much the same, just like all the other altcoins. The market is giving us precursors of strength, but we have to be careful because we are trading around resistance area. In the background, $116 or even $114. So we need to get more volume. We need to get more push to go bars in order for us to break through this resistance area in Neo. So we're just standing on the sidelines, but we are expecting the market to move higher, but not that high initially, because we want to see a stronger precursor of strength bar in Neo in order for them to break that resistance. Now let's go ahead and check out Monero. Monero is up 10.1%. Last trade was $250. Push to go bar. Buyers came in yesterday, so we are getting a continuation of buyers in the market for today. 3-hour bars for Monero again. We are getting precursors of strength in the market. The market did not adhere to the precursors of weakness bars, so that is giving us even more positivity into saying that the market for Monero is going to continue to move higher. Just like I said previously, it might not move that high. It might just come back up to the resistance area, 256, 260, and around that price, and move lower. Okay, because pay attention to this volume. There's no volume as the market is moving higher, and that's what's going on for all these altcoins as well. Last one is going to be Cardano, up 5.5%. Last trade was 36 cents. So we are getting a little bit more stockpile in Cardano, or non-interest in higher prices. The volume is definitely lighter than the last couple of trading days. 3-hour bars, again, trading sideways. Consolidation is going on. Current 3-hour bar, if it closes above its previous close, then at least we're looking for Cardano to come up to 38 cents. And then we might get more precursors of weakness, but we're not getting any interest in higher prices. So either the market is going to break out to higher prices, or it's going to break down to lower prices. Okay, so that's all I have for today, February 12, 2018. And as always, before I go, I'm going to give you my recap of what I noticed on these charts. So now we are noticing precursors of strength on the 3-hour bars, and as well we are noticing that the market is coming right back towards areas of resistance. We need to have volume. Some of these altcoins are not giving us volume as it is trading around resistance. That is not good. That is a negativity in the fact that the market can also move back down. We need to start seeing precursors of strength bars with high volume, because it's going to take a lot of push in order for these altcoins to break through these areas of resistance. We're there now. So you got to watch the market. If we continue to get precursors of strength on light volume, we run a higher probability of moving lower. If we do have precursors of strength bars on high volume, then we're looking for the market to continue to move higher and break through that resistance. Now it might just break it and shoot back down into their area of resistance, but nevertheless we need to get that. Okay, so continue to watch the market. Everyone, maintain your profitability. Continue to subscribe, like, and watch these videos so you all can understand what is going on in the market before it actually happens. That's what we do. I'll talk to you all later. Have a good one.